guess who's back and guess who did a 360 wig? Hey, what's up, y'all? So Grace Queen sent me this beautiful 360-degree wig, and this was my first time doing this wig, and as y'all can see, it is gorgeous. So I went ahead and bleached the knots, and y'all over bleached, but that's okay because we're gonna fix that. So go ahead and prep the head, make sure that it's clean, and we're going to go ahead and slick those edges back. We're going to put on our stocking cap, and then we're going to put, I use the Got To Be glue around it, and then we're going to allow that to dry. And then once it's dry, we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Y'all know how we do this. We're going to cut off from the front and from the back since this is a 360 wig. So this is how it looks. Next, we're going to go ahead and size the wig to our head to see how it fits, so we know what we need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and cut tabs in the wig so it's just easier for me to go ahead and glue on. And then I'm going to cut off the ear tabs, making sure that is done before we go ahead and lay that wig on. I'm going to be using the bold hole glue. This is my favorite glue, no breakouts, and it has a long lasting hold. I'm going to do 3 layers of that before I go ahead and glue that down. So next, I'm just going to take those tabs and then just start pressing it into that glue on my head. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my band so that can sit. And then once I let that sit for about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And then I'm going to cut off that excess lace, okay? Want to make sure that it's rigid when we cut. That makes it look more natural. And y'all, I was hungry. I had to take a break. And then after we do that, I'm just going to go ahead and take my spritz that's like $2 in a beauty supply store and lay that on there. And then once that's complete, then I'm just going to go ahead and band it again for about another 15 minutes, y'all. And then once that is complete, then we're just going to go ahead and take off that band, and then we're going to have our final look. So this is how it looks in the front before I apply any powder. Next, we're going to move on to the back. Now, this is really difficult when, 1, this is your first time doing it, you're not used to it, and 2, when you have to do it by yourself. Y'all was so confused in that mirror trying to put it on, but whatever, we made it work. So I'm just going to take that glue and I'm going to lay it around the perimeter of my head, do the same thing. I think I did 2 layers. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press that into my scalp and then take my band and let that sit. Ooh, y'all, tired. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take off the band, and then I'm just going to cut off that excess lace, just like we did in the beginning. And then we're just going to take that spritz and lay it on there. And this is where I went wrong. I put the, the inside move clips, I put it too tight, so it made it like rigid, but we'll fix that later. Boom, go ahead and take that off. I think I let that sit for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and do that viral TikTok style, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just take out the perimeter of what I'm going to use as my little 2 front, I guess, bangs. And then I'm going to band it, okay? Because we're going to be shifting and moving our hair, and we want to make sure that the wig stays in place. So I'm just going to make it flat, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a pony. Y'all, the curls of this hair is so cute. I washed it, but not even all over, just like where I bleached it. And the curls are gorgeous. Like, it's not even giving body wave. It's giving, I don't even know, like a loose, deep wave. But it's really cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it up. And I was thinking that I wanted to wear it up, so I went ahead and put it like in a little messy bun. And then I'm just going to, play with it and start curling my little hairs exactly how I want it, so it can look, how I want it to look. And this is, it'll take time. You can maneuver how you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and take my bands off. And like I said, I'm going to start curling the hair with my curling iron. I took out some hair in the back, on the sides, and in the front as well. All right, y'all, so once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and add some powder so it don't look as over bleached, and bada bing, bada boom. And I decided to, this is the back, y'all. I'm going to cut that and just make it look, more natural. But I decided to wear it in a regular ponytail, and I thought that was even cuter than the bun. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and your girl is glad to be back. Bye.